everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are using my new favourite palette again. It is the Be Perfect Carnival palette with Stacey Marie. It's the original one, it is beautiful, and yeah, I was supposed to do like a neutral brown smoky eye with this palette today. That didn't happen, did it? But I'm still obsessed with the look that I've finished with, and if you want to know how I got it then keep watching. Okie dokies. So I set out this morning to do a natural look. Yeah, that didn't happen. So I'm going to take my Be Perfect Carnival palette and I'm going to go into the shade Liquor, which is this dark purple shade here, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner. Now just taking this little bullet brush, I'm going to go into the shade Wasted, which is the bright purple, and then use that to blend out the dark purple. I'm going to bring that light purple into the inner corner as well and pat that on in here. Back in with a brush I use for the darker shade and just help to blend out the edges with that one. And taking a clean brush and using that to blend out even more of those edges. And now just going to wipe up underneath with a makeup wipe. And then just continue to blend that edge just to make it a little bit more winged out like that side. Okay, next I'm going to cut my crease with the Pete Louise base as always. Taking a little bit on the back of my hand and then taking a little ditty brush. And now I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush and the shade Liquor, which is the dark shade, and just pat over the outside corner of the cut crease. Blend it in a little bit. And then taking a little flat brush and going into the shade Funky with an eye. Going into that bright pink and then packing that on the cut crease. Okie dokie, so I'm now going to pop off camera, do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to finish off the eye look. Okie dokie, I am back and we're going to do the lower lash line. So I'm going to take this little brush here, I'm going to go into the shade Liquor, which is the dark purple again, and I'm going to put that on the outer lower lash line. Next, taking a little tiny bullet brush, I'm going to go into the bright shade Wasted and then drag that underneath. And then just buffing it out. Lovely, and as always I'm going to highlight my inner corner when I find the brush. Taking this little brush, I'm going to go into the shade Pink Me, I think. Let me just swatch it. I'm going to go with Moody. I might add Pink Me afterwards, but it's this goldy white shimmer there. I did forget to say, on my lower lash line I used the shade Moody as well to highlight my brow bone. I kind of did it off camera when I was doing my face. I'm now going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face because I'm looking very matte, and I'll be back with the finished look. I am back and I've just put on some mascara and I've left my lips neutral, as I am literally going to town to go to Superdrug to buy my foundation that I'm running out of and some powder, etc, the boring stuff. So I left it neutral because, you know, purple eyeshadow might be a little bit too much for a Thursday afternoon, but here we are. It's happened. It's on my face. I'm obsessed. So yeah, this is the finished eyeshadow look. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed me using the Be Perfect Carnival palette again. I will leave the first video I did linked up there for you guys to check out. You know I love this palette. It's so pigmented, so easy. It makes eyeshadows just simple, and yeah, you need it. Just put it out there. You need it. Not sponsored because I don't have any sponsorships, but you need it. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Every subscriber means the world to me. Every comment, every like, it literally I do a normal 9 to 5 job. I do this on my days off, so when people enjoy it and like it, then that means so much more to me than probably someone who is their full-time job right now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and mwah, have a lovely day. Look at this bruise. Ooh. Don't do cheerleading, people. It hurts. Bye.